Hi there, welcome to Crypto Gems. My name is Tej, and in today's video we are going to take a closer look at the coin known as Avalanche. We're going to study what it is all about and its future price prediction. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such cryptocurrency videos. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. This video is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. So without further ado, let's get into it. AVAX blockchain was launched in September 2020 by the Ava Labs that is based in USA, and Ava Labs currently raised $6 million in their financing during that time, followed that with private and public token sales totaling $48 million. The three-person team behind AVAX Lab consists of Kevin, Mao Fan, and Emin Gun Sirer. The Avalanche network attempts to improve scalability without compromising any sort of decentralization. The three blockchains that make up its mandate are the X-chain, C-chain, and P-chain. The X-chain is basically used for managing the assets, and it uses the Avalanche consensus protocol. The C-chain is used for smart contracts creation, and the P-chain is used for coordinating validators. And these two blockchains use the Snowman consensus protocol. As per the website, Avalanche is open programmable smart contracts platform for decentralized applications. You can build faster and low-cost Solidity compatible dApps. I also want you guys to check out Trezor, which is a great platform that you must have, and it's a hardware wallet basically that will protect all your cryptocurrencies out there. So I highly recommend you to get this one just to make sure that all your cryptocurrencies stays safe and it does not get hijacked by any sort of hijackers out there. So if you want to get one of this for yourself, please check the link in the description box below. And this is the Twitter account of the AVAX coin, and you can see that currently it has 332.90k followers, which is very good thing because it shows that the platform is becoming popular and it is well known among a group of people, and the more popularity it has, the more potential it has to kind of explode and grow in future. And this is a news article that I found that says that the coin has decreased by 20% over the last week. So overall, I would like to conclude by saying that if you're looking for virtual currencies with a good rate of investment return, AVAX can be a profitable investment option. The current price of AVAX is $53.43 on 12th of October. And if you buy just like $100 of AVAX coin today, you're going to get a total of 1.872 AVAX coin. And based on our forecast, there is a long-term potential attached to this coin, meaning that by 2026 the price can be anywhere around $243.36. So let's say if you invest that $100 for 5 years, you're going to be expecting a return of plus 355%, and your current $100 investment may be worth $455 in 2026. So that's pretty much it with my price prediction and analysis of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered in this video, and subscribe to Crypto Gems channel so that you can get other content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.